Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to make an easy fall bow. This ribbon, I got it from Hobby Lobby. Regular price is $10.99. You can find it in the fall collection, but I got it for 50% off. You will also need one pipe cleaner and scissors. So this ribbon is a wired ribbon, which means it has the wires on the sides and is more easy to use and to make your handmade bows. So you're gonna do a very easy technique. You're gonna start off by making a loop. This loop will be the top side of your bow. So this is how it looks. Just do an easy loop like this, like a circle. So after you do this loop, you're just gonna pinch it like this and hold it. And this is where you will be holding the rest of the loops. So it looks like this. And then you always want to show this print on the top side of your bow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a twist. Just one twist. That way your print is showing on top of your bow. So now we're gonna make a loop. You can do as big or small as you wish. So you can make it bigger depending on your project. I might be using this bow for a pumpkin wreath that I'll be working on, and I will make a tutorial on that wreath very soon. So this might be around 4.5 inches. Let's see if I can measure. Yeah, about 4 inches. Okay, so now that we have it like this, we're gonna do another twist. So every time you make a loop, you will do a twist at the bottom of your bow. And that's only so that your print is showing. When it's the same front and back, it's a little bit easier. Okay, so there we go. So we're gonna repeat the loop and try to make it the same size as this one. If you want to check, you can just go like this and check the length. Okay, so I already made the loop right here, and then you do again. Just repeat the process. Another loop. And repeat the process. It really depends on how many loops you want your bow to have. So whenever you're happy with it, you can stop. Here's the third loop. And once you're done, you can fix your bow. So I'm just going to make 3 loops on each side. I just leave it like this. And now let's work on the tails. So depending on how long you want your tails to be, that's how long you're gonna make it. So just gonna do a long loop and then just grab it from here and then cut. So here's the end of the long loop. So now you grab your pipe cleaner or your wire or whatever you have. Just make sure it's flexible for you to tie your bow. You're gonna insert the pipe cleaner through here, and then make sure to grab the tails. So it looks like this. Make sure everything is all together. And now tie it from the back. So it can be a little tricky when working with your tails. Like this one right here. I didn't get this piece. This is how it looks, and now we're gonna fix it. It's gonna cut this part. Oh no. Sometimes this happens and it's very easy to fix it. Just open, do the loop. Tie it again. You can also add podge glue. It's a spray glue if you want to keep your bow stiff. And now I'm going to cut the tails. Just fold it. And there you go. Here is your fall bow. Let me show you the podge spray. So here's the podge spray. It's satin, and it's good for ribbon. And you just have to shake it well. And just spray a little bit. When it's dry, it's gonna keep your bow stiff, and it's gonna stay like this, the way you shape it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to make this fall bow, and let me know if you tried this. And you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. You can tag me in your photos if you tried this. And thank you so much for watching and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.